Want to cover gray hair naturally? Scientific research shows coffee can darken hair to a rich brown. I'll share 2 proven recipes today, and a study titled Wake Up and Smell the Coffee, an exploratory pre-pilot study assessing Coffea arabica solution to cover gray hair, published on September 29, 2020 by Freda Gunot-Skupinski, found that applying a coffee solution can naturally reduce grayness and give hair a rich brown tone. First ingredient today is coffee. Grind fresh coffee beans into a fine powder. Coffee contains antioxidants, polyphenols, and caffeine, which can improve scalp circulation, strengthen hair, and gradually darken gray strands. This natural method avoids harsh chemicals and keeps hair healthy. Grinding the beans fresh maximizes their pigment and aroma for best results. And for centuries, people used coffee in beauty rituals to give hair a natural glow. And now science is proving they were right. Take 4 tablespoons of finely ground coffee and place them in a bowl. This is the base for our first recipe. Coffee is not only coloring your hair, but also nourishing and strengthening each strand. The next step, add 1 cup of water. While mixing, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you never miss scientifically proven, natural recipes. Also, comment below and tell me where you are watching from. I love seeing viewers from all over the world, and in our next videos, we might even give a shout out to some of you. Place the bowl on the stove and heat gently, stirring until it reaches a boil. First, prepare a piece of medical gauze and place it carefully over a clean dish. Then slowly pour the boiled coffee through the gauze, making sure to strain it well and remove all the grounds. This step is important because it leaves us with a smooth liquid that will be easier to apply to the hair. By the way, we're planning to launch free consultation sessions in the future to help as many of you as possible with personalized natural care tips. So stay tuned. Your questions and feedback could actually shape our upcoming videos. Next, take half of the strained coffee and place it in another dish. Now we add 2 tablespoons of raw cacao. Cacao not only deepens the rich brown tones in the hair, but also provides natural antioxidants. These antioxidants help protect the hair fibers from damage. After that, we add 4 heaping tablespoons of natural henna powder. Henna has been used for centuries as a natural coloring and strengthening agent. It helps fortify the hair shaft, reduces breakage, and adds a natural shine that reflects light beautifully. And squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into the mixture. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and natural acids, which help slightly open the hair cuticle, allowing the coffee, cacao, and henna to penetrate more effectively. Stir slowly to blend the juice completely with the other ingredients, enjoying the rich aroma of coffee and cacao. Check the consistency. If it's too thick, add a little more coffee or water gradually. This will give a smooth, spreadable texture that coats every strand evenly. Keep stirring continuously. This not only ensures thorough mixing, but also helps release the full fragrance and nutrients of the mask. Getting the right consistency is key to ensuring maximum absorption of the natural pigments and nutrients, so every strand of your hair benefits fully from these powerful ingredients. And add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. This oil deeply conditions the hair, locks in moisture, reduces frizz, and enhances natural shine. How to use: apply the mixture from roots to tips, making sure every strand is coated. Cover with a shower cap to help the ingredients penetrate. Leave it on for 4 hours so the coffee, cacao, henna, and olive oil can nourish, strengthen, and naturally color your hair. After that, rinse thoroughly with warm water. Your hair will feel softer, shinier, and healthier. This completes our first recipe. Now for the second recipe. Take the remaining coffee liquid and pour it into a clean bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of raw cacao and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, stirring continuously. Cornstarch thickens the mixture, making it easier to apply evenly from roots to tips. Cacao deepens the natural brown color and nourishes the hair with antioxidants that help strengthen and protect each strand. Stir until you get a smooth, rich mixture ready to coat your hair beautifully. Comment below where you're watching from and stay tuned. I'll reveal a mind-blowing ingredient that boosts the effect of these natural colors. Place the mixture in a clean bowl on the stove, stirring constantly until thick and paste-like. This activates pigments and ensures the mask clings well to hair. Cacao and coffee create a natural brown hue, gentler than chemical dyes, while adding shine and antioxidant protection. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can enjoy all future recipes backed by scientific research and the latest studies on natural ingredients. Mix in 2 tablespoons of yogurt, which contains proteins and lactic acid to soften hair, soothe the scalp, and improve mask spreadability. The proteins strengthen strands, while the lactic acid gently refreshes the scalp. And add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, stirring continuously until the mixture is smooth. Vinegar helps close the hair cuticle, which seals in the color and enhances shine. It also balances the scalp's pH, leaving it healthy and refreshed. This simple step ensures your hair stays soft, vibrant, and fully nourished by all the natural ingredients in the mask. Plus, it helps protect the hair from daily damage, keeping it strong and glossy over time. Apply this mask evenly from roots to tips. Leave it on for 2 hours with a shower cap to help the ingredients penetrate. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, using a natural or very mild shampoo for best results. Your hair will look darker, shinier, and healthier, feeling soft and nourished naturally. And that's it. 2 natural, scientifically backed recipes to cover gray hair and enrich brown tones. Subscribe, turn on the bell, like, and comment where you're watching from. Stay tuned for more natural tips for healthy, beautiful hair.